Sample Solved Questions Paper, Biology of Chapter Biological Classification, HPTET, November 2025. Questions and Answers Series. Which of the following is not a characteristic of the kingdom fungi? A. Heterotrophic nutrition. B. Chitin in cell walls. C. Photosynthesis. D. Reproduction by spores. Answer C. Photosynthesis. Reason: fungi are heterotrophs. They obtain organic food from outside, have chitin in their cell walls, and commonly reproduce by spores. They do not have chlorophyll and cannot photosynthesize. The scientist who proposed the five-kingdom classification is A. Linnaeus, B. Robert Whittaker, C. Charles Darwin, D. Ernst Haeckel. Answer B. Robert Whittaker. Reason: Whittaker, 1969, proposed the five-kingdom system: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia, based on cell structure, mode of nutrition, and level of organization. Which kingdom includes organisms that are unicellular, eukaryotic, and sometimes photosynthetic? A. Plantae, B. Protista, C. Fungi, D. Monera. Answer B. Protista. Reason: protists are mostly unicellular eukaryotes. Some algae-like protists perform photosynthesis, while others do not. Which among these is prokaryotic? A. Amoeba, B. Cyanobacteria, C. Yeast, D. Euglena. Answer B. Cyanobacteria. Reason: cyanobacteria are bacteria, prokaryotes, lacking a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, unlike amoeba, yeast, or euglena, which are eukaryotic. The classification category just above genus is A. Order, B. Family, C. Class, D. Species. Answer B. Family. Reason: taxonomic hierarchy goes family, genus, species. Family groups related genera. What is the correct order of taxonomic hierarchy from broad to specific? A. Kingdom, class, phylum, order, family, genus, species. B. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. B. Kingdom, order, phylum, class, family, genus, species. D. Kingdom, phylum, order, class, family, genus, species. Answer B. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Reason: that is the standard Linnaean hierarchy from most inclusive kingdom to most specific species. Viruses are generally excluded from the kingdom classification because they A. are not made of cells, B. cannot reproduce, C. do not have metabolism, D. all of the above. Answer D. all of the above. Reason: viruses are acellular, not made of cells, lack independent metabolism, and cannot reproduce without a host, so they don't fit the criteria used for kingdoms. Which of the following is a plant-like protist? A. Paramecium, B. Spirogyra, C. Amoeba, D. Plasmodium. Answer B. Spirogyra. Reason: Spirogyra is a filamentous algal protist that performs photosynthesis and has chloroplasts, so it's plant-like among protists. In Whittaker's five-kingdom classification, Monera includes A. fungi and algae, B. all bacteria and cyanobacteria, C. archaea only, D. multicellular plants. Answer B. all bacteria and cyanobacteria. Reason: Whittaker's Monera included all prokaryotes, true bacteria, and cyanobacteria before the later split into bacteria and archaea. Which taxonomic group contains organisms having similar evolutionary ancestry? A. Class, B. Phylum, C. Family, D. Order. Answer B. Phylum. A phylum groups organisms that share a major body plan or fundamental structural and evolutionary features. It represents a broad common ancestry. Although other ranks also reflect ancestry, phylum is the best choice here. Which of these is the lowest and most specific level in taxonomic classification? A. Class. B. Genus. Order. D. Species. Answer D. Species. Species is the basic unit of classification. Populations that actually or potentially interbreed and produce fertile offspring. In binomial nomenclature, the first part of the name indicates the A. Species, B. Parent family, C. Genus, D. Order. Answer C. Genus. Reason: species names are two parts, genus capitalized plus specific epithet, lowercase. Example: Homo sapiens. Homo is genus. A group of organisms that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring belong to same A. Genus, B. Species, C. Family, D. Class. Answer B. Species. The biological species concept defines species by the ability to interbreed and produce fertile progeny. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in that archaebacteria lack peptidoglycan in cell wall, B. live in extreme environments, C. have distinct rRNA sequences, D. all of the above. Answer D. all of the above. Reason: archaea typically lack peptidoglycan in cell walls, often live in extreme environments, and have distinct rRNA sequences and molecular features distinguishing them from true bacteria, eubacteria. Which one of following is used to classify organisms according to evolutionary relationships? A. Morphology only. B. Molecular data, DNA, RNA. C. Habitat only. D. Feeding method only. Answer B. Molecular data, DNA, RNA. Reason: molecular phylogenetics, DNA, RNA, protein sequences, provides direct evidence of evolutionary relationships and is now a primary tool for classification. Which of these kingdoms contains multicellular autotrophs? A. Animalia, B. Protista, C. Plantae, fungi. Answer C. Plantae. Plantae kingdom contains multicellular autotrophs, green plants. What is the main basis of classification in traditional systems? A. Molecular similarity, B. Morphological and structural features, C. Behavioral traits, D. Geographic location. Answer B. Morphological and structural features. Reason: traditional premolecular classification relied on observable morphology, anatomy, and structural characters to group organisms. Euglena is placed in Protista because it A. is multicellular, B. lacks nucleus, C. has both plant-like photosynthesis and animal-like movement characteristics, D. has a cell wall made of cellulose. Answer C. has both plant-like photosynthesis and animal-like movement characteristics. Reason: Euglena has chloroplasts for photosynthesis and flagellum for movement. Such mixed features place it among protists rather than in strict plant or animal kingdoms. Which domain includes humans? A. Bacteria, B. Archaea, C. Eukarya, D. Monera. Answer C. Eukarya. Reason: humans are eukaryotes, cells with a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, so they belong to the domain Eukarya. Fungi differ from plants because fungi A. Have chlorophyll. B. Are autotrophic. C. Store carbohydrates as starch. D. Have cell walls made of chitin. Answer D. Have cell walls made of chitin. Reason: unlike plants, cellulose cell walls and autotrophy, fungi have chitinous cell walls and are heterotrophic, which distinguishes them from plantae.